Hi guys. So, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about sequencing. So, sequence is the order in which something occurs. It goes in chronological order or sequential order by using things like first, next, last, or, before and then after. So it takes things in order. So I'm going to use a pictorial representation to show you guys what I'm going to do using the life cycle of a butterfly. So we're going to look at the butterfly's life cycle using our sequencing chart. So the first thing I know is step one, the first thing we'll have is the eggs. As a butterfly lays her eggs on a plant, so that the caterpillars will have something to eat when they hatch. So that's the butterfly's egg, and that's the first thing that happens in the step of the butterfly's life cycle. So the egg is laid. Next, the caterpillar's job would be, once it comes out, would be to eat. Eat, 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 eat. They will eat so that they can grow up to 2 inches in just a few weeks. So after the butterfly lays its egg, then a caterpillar comes. And you're wondering, then what's the third step? The third step would be the chrysalis. So here I have a photo of the chrysalis, and this is what happens next. So that's what happens next. Next it says the caterpillar attaches itself upside down to a twig and transform into a chrysalis to protect it while it turns into a butterfly, as you guys can see right here. So step one, then two, then three, and last, the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. So it says when the butterfly hatches from the chrysalis, it becomes time to mate and then, produce more eggs, and the life cycle continues. Today we learned about sequencing. When you have something in sequence, it means it goes in order, sequential order, logical order. It happens in a way that one step cannot happen before the other is not possible. So most of our text that we read, we're able to retell the events in our text in order. So what happened first, what happened next, and then finally what happened last. This is a structure. This is a text structure. And this allows the reader to better understand the text because they're able to understand how the text is set up. So if you know how your text is set up, then you'll be able to better understand what am I reading. So this would be a sequential order text where events happen. It could be time. At first, if we were to talk about our sequential order, we'll talk about the day we were born, then maybe when we went to kindergarten, then when you went to seventh grade, and when you graduated, when you started working, and that would be your order, your logical order. So nothing can happen before. So first, we had the butterfly egg, then we had the egg hatched into a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar ate, and then after eating all that food, it formed itself into a chrysalis upside down on the twigs, like you see here in the photograph, and it stays there while it turns finally into a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly does the same thing again by hatching their eggs, then using the same logical order. So in today's lesson, you guys learned about sequence and how sequences need to happen in a logical order in order for it to make sense. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned.